We go to work expecting a streamlined digital experience. Instead, we spend the day navigating a fragmented landscape of disconnected applications. Because these software tools are built as isolated silos, they rarely share information automatically. This forces the human user to act as a bridge between them. Moving a simple client update from a team chat into an email involves a repetitive manual loop. You capture a screenshot, copy the text, then switch windows and paste it all into a new draft. Despite having access to advanced language models, the user remains the primary logistics worker for their own computer. The April 8, 2026 release of GenSpark 4.0 introduces a different approach to how AI interacts with a local operating system. Previous models were largely passive, waiting for a prompt in a browser tab. This version is designed to act as an operator of the PC itself. This system, called Claw, functions as a digital twin. It is built to observe your workspace and perform the granular digital chores that currently consume your time. This removes the human from the center of the data transfer process, allowing the system to bridge the gap between applications directly. This functionality relies on a local desktop agent that allows the system to perceive the active screen. Reading the screen in real time eliminates manual screenshots. The agent parses the interface, extracting relevant text. It then moves to an email client, drafting a follow-up while the user works elsewhere. Localized visual processing allows the AI to function as an independent observer, understanding the context of the workflow without needing a human to explain it. Beyond visual recognition, the system utilizes Office 365 native connectors. These allow the software to communicate through back-end APIs rather than just the visual interface. Direct API access is the mechanism that removes the need to copy and paste data between different environments. For example, Claw can take a revision request from a chat, update text in a cloud document, generate a new PDF, and email it to a colleague in a single sequence. This architecture is designed to handle personal and corporate accounts securely. The agent moves specific data packets between environments without cross-contaminating the underlying account structures. Native integration allows the AI to move through the walls that typically keep software tools isolated from one another. The final component of this workflow is the always-on cloud virtual machine. Because the agent can run on a remote server, it can continue to process tasks asynchronously. It operates even when the physical laptop is closed. While the user is away from their desk, the agent monitors communication threads to identify specific tasks or homework that has been assigned. It uses the context of past communications to pre-write email replies, placing them in the drafts folder for review the next morning. This decouples software operation from the human's physical presence, allowing work to be produced without a person sitting at the keyboard. Traditionally, the first hour of the day is spent hunting through various apps to figure out what was missed overnight. Because the system has been working asynchronously, it can generate a daily dashboard by 8:30 a.m. This dashboard extracts project notifications, summarizes long document attachments, and flags only the specific items that require a human decision. This reduces the time spent navigating between applications to collect information. GenSpark 4.0 shifts the human role towards oversight, where the user manages a digital twin that handles the low-level execution of software tasks. To begin using this, the user must enable the screen sharing permission within the desktop application. You can then direct Claw to monitor your most complex communication logs and provide a summary of your deliverables. Delegating the mechanical logistics of software to an autonomous agent provides a path away from the repetitive labor of manual data management.